Hello everyone, this is Can You See Me coming to you today with a gaming PC update. I've been telling you guys that I've been trying to do some different things with my PC and getting new stuff, and I'm going to go ahead and get started here. Here's my new keyboard. This is the Roswell 9000. This is the special edition one. It's got MX Cherry Brown keys. Feels really good. Actually, I really like it. I used to have the Razer Black Widow Ultimate. That keyboard was nice, but you know, I think I broke the enter key. But it still works. I just didn't like the way it felt anymore. It's my new screen. It's really awesome. This is the BenQ RL2450 HT. This is a really nice screen. I really enjoy it. Alright, going on to the computer. Actually, these headsets, these are the SteelSeries Siberia version 2, white. They're really comfortable. The only thing that I'm iffy about right now is they keep your ears really warm. So if you live in a cold area, these headsets would be awesome. Otherwise than that, it's a very nice headset. It's very comfortable. I really enjoy it. Now to the components. As you can see, that is another GTX 670 for the win. I went crazy. Alright, I went crazy and I bought another one. I installed the back plate for it today. So it looks nice and clean. It's really nice. It's really nice. It's really nice. As you can see, I got rid of those Corsair SP120s. These are Noctua NFF12s, and they are amazing. They do really good cooling, really good sound that you can hardly ever hear them ever. So it's really good stuff. As you guys can see, this is a CM Storm Stryker. It's the same case I had from before. It's holding up nice. It's holding up nice. It's just the side panel. I took it off for you guys. But otherwise than that, there's nothing really new. Just the new GTX 670 for the win, and the new fans for the radiator for the Corsair H80. The new headsets. The new keyboard. And the new screen. I'm going to be putting some benchmarks up here pretty soon, within the next couple days or so of the new card, with one card and with only one card and with two cards, and let you know how everything's been playing. All right, this is Can You See Me? Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll be glad to help you out with any answers that you may need. So, like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for coming. See you later.